after Madras, right? When this film was finally announced that Ranjit is going to direct Rajni sir. So a lot of people expected it to be like, okay, Rajni sir is leaving behind his stardom and getting into a very different space. But when we saw the trailer, the teaser, it was so stylish that now I'm confused. No, I still see Rajni sir the star than a creation of Ranjit's imagination. You've edited the film obviously, so can you throw some light into that?
No, see, we can't. See, one thing is we were very clear that we didn't want to take away Rajni sir's charisma, his style.
Okay,
you know, that will be a sin. You know, people will not forgive you if you do that.
I think those requests will turn into
exactly. We didn't want that. We didn't want him to completely alienate his own mannerisms and whatever. We wanted to take that and incorporate that into the script, and also make that as part of the script rather than that being away from it. So that has been done in a very subtle manner, wherein you feel that whatever Rajni sir does in this film is also part of the script. How a 55-year-old guy, Don, would behave, and that's how he has totally portrayed himself in this character. But I would also like to add that we will get to see Rajni sir's acting per se, which was there in his previous films. I'm not saying it wasn't there, but the realistic nature, the way he has acted in his old Estrella blockbusters like Mollum Malarum and all that, we can get to see a glimpse of that Rajni sir in this film.
Okay, so is that the reference why they say, tell them the 25 years back, the same Kabali is back now?
True. So, I mean, it's also, see, when I first saw the rushes of the film, the moment I got to that particular shot, I thought that fits in perfectly to the script and also perfectly to what Rajni sir is now. So I knew that had to be the teaser. So I reflected that back to Ranjit, and Ranjit said, let's go ahead with it. He was a little worried that maybe it will hype up quite a bit, which is what it is right now. And but eventually I convinced Ranjit and said, this is what the script is all about, let's go with it. And it was pretty much okay. And everyone who watched the teaser wanted it to be played back like twice or thrice.
I know, right? Yeah.
So that kick itself, when you get that in the edit room, once it goes out for sound, sound mixing, RR and all that, it is only going to go higher up from that.
Now, in a recent interview, you described the film as very emotional, as well as a gangster action film, right? So, when you say emotional, what exactly are you referring to there?
So, the film is about a man's personal journey in discovering what he's lost over the past 25-30 years.
Okay.
And he's trying to figure out whatever he's lost. He's trying to go and he's going in search of all that. In that sense, it's a very personal point of view of the main Kabali himself. Okay. So that is where the emotional aspect kicks in, and you also have all this, the rise and the growth of the Don and how he comes back and becomes what he was.
Right.
So all that has been incorporated into the script, and since we have never seen Rajni sir doing that, so that gives you a kick when you watch the film.
But isn't that his usual theme that almost every film has, that rags to riches to, again,
I wouldn't say rags to riches. This one's a totally different concept. It is more about what he's lost. He's already a Don. That's where the film
you start from the end and then go back to discovering.
And then you start revealing what has happened in his life and all that.
Okay.
So which has been done in a very interesting manner. And the younger version is where a lot of people are going to like him.
Okay.
Hopefully we are all pretty excited when that episode comes in the film. So I'm sure the audience will love it as well. When we were shooting Madras, the whole theme of the film was about its wall. It revolves around the wall, which was interesting by itself. And if you actually, I'm not too sure if you watched the film, but
I haven't.
Okay, it's a very story-oriented film, isn't it? You could actually take Karthi sir away and put someone else in there, and it would still work. But the thing is, Karthi sir coming on board made the film huge.
Right. And
it revolves until the first half. We're not too sure whether Karthi sir is the hero or the other guy is the hero. Okay. So that's how it was written. And